Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making popovers. Round of applause, yes. I know what you're thinking. You've made popovers before, Jen. Yeah, I have, but those were sourdough popovers using your sourdough discard. For those who don't have a sourdough starter, these are the popovers. Light, airy, fluffy balls of flour and egg and deliciousness. This is the recipe. Well, actually, I'm trying this recipe for the very first time with you. So let's find out together. Is this the recipe? We'll find out. I'm also making it because Popovers the name of love. You are perfect for my heart. My heart, my taste buds, well, pretty much everything. First things first, preheat your oven to 450 degrees and make sure that you have a rack at the very bottom of your oven with enough clearance for those puffy popovers. Second thing you're going to want to do is get a muffin tin. It can be a regular one like this and grease the heck out of it. Even grease in between the muffin cups. 4 eggs, which I have warmed in a bath of warm water before cracking them. 1.5 cups of milk. Milk of your choice. Skim, low fat, full fat, your choice. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk until well combined. You want to make sure there are no yellow streaks showing. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour going in all at once. Whisk until frothy. Three tablespoons melted butter. Stir this in quickly. Fill cups 2/3 to 3/4 full. Into the oven for 20 minutes, then we're going to lower the temperature. Minutes is up. Lower the temperature down to 350 and wait until they are golden brown for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've left them in there for an additional 15 minutes. Wanted to make sure that they are deep golden brown, but the longer you leave them in there, the more they will hold their shape when you take them out. Note, I also put a cookie sheet here to protect them from getting too hot. Oh, yum! Now we're going to take a paring knife and we're going to make a slit in the top of each one to let the steam come out. So again, it will hold its shape and won't get soggy. Remove immediately and serve. If you need to, loosen it a bit with a spatula. Inspection time. First off, look how puffy they are, and they're holding their shape too. Excellent. They smell delicious. Now we have to taste it. Let's break it apart here. Oh, look at that. Look at that lovely, airy, eggy interior. Just what you want. This is warm and eggy and delicious. Serve it with butter. Serve it with jam. Serve it with strawberry butter. Serve it with anything you like. Everyone will be so happy. This was a fantastic popover recipe. I'm so glad I found it, and I'm thrilled that I could share it with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more.